can't even talk about Auntie Pat right now. Auntie Pat deserves her own review video, a dedicated hour seminar in which I talk and praise her eyeshadow palettes. Hey you guys, it's me Kai, so I'm back with another video. Make sure to support a girl, hit me up on Instagram at pretty1234me, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel for future content. As you already know, I'm gonna be featuring this beautiful look that you see me rocking right here. All of the colors I used today are Pat McGrath colors. They come from two of her palettes, the Mothership 5 palette. Let me go ahead and show that to you. Okay, I always mess this up. Along with the Mothership Subliminal Dark Star eyeshadow palette, the only color from that palette that I used is this one right here, and it didn't turn out as I had hoped. Let me show you. So even when I just do a swatch, you guys see how pigmented that color is? That's what I have on my lower lash line or my waterline, and it didn't pop out quite the same even using a white eyeliner. But regardless, the look turned out really, really nice still. So here's what we have today, you guys. I hope you like it. And I'm just gonna clarify right now. The pigmentation, how bright and how glittery this looks is downplayed 1000% on the camera. So trust me when I tell you, if you have either of these palettes and you are to kind of follow my tutorial, you'll definitely have something really, really beautiful by the completion of the look. You guys, as always, thank you for watching. Bye. done. I'm not going anywhere. Let me just see. I want to add even more. Give me more. I mean, I really love the obnoxiousness of the shimmery shiny. You guys know.
Are you giving someone this as a present?
No, I'm not. It just came in a really cute container. It looks even better when I added more of the rose gold eyeshadow color.
No.
Auntie Pat. I can't even talk about Auntie Pat right now. I'm gonna do that later, you guys, because I have a few more of her items coming through. So I'm just gonna have a pretty lengthy video on a couple of different things that I have of hers. It's coming up, you guys, but I just wanted to add more color. Hey, you're getting noisy.
What? I just need to get my dinosaur that poops out stuff.